Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. Today I want to talk about our 3630. We've actually got this machine on sale right now. Normally this machine would sell for $89.99. It's on sale for $64.99. Like it says 3630, so it is 36 by 30 by 38. The inside dimensions of this machine are huge. There's not a whole lot you're not going to be able to fit in here. You've got two 18-inch LED strip lights inside here for maximum light. You've actually got, like I said, the two window rinses. In years past, there was a wiper with this machine. We've removed that. We're just running the two window rinses in here. It's a fantastic machine. If you're looking for something a little more industrial, but not that full-on industrial look, this is a machine for you. All stainless steel, powder coated. Again, $64.99 on sale, $2,500 off. Give us a call today, 828-220-4983. Thanks for watching.